Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Buxton. The next station stop is Hazel.
One, two, let's go! Off we go, Northern to Buxton. This where I'm off to. What? You'll see. Here we are, Chapel-en-le-Frith. Right there at 10:40. Off we go. Now to Buxton Line. And this time I'm going past Chapel-en-le-Frith. I like to film the Buxton Line because it's more fun sometimes. Whoa, that looks fun. Yeah, but unfortunately, now it's not available. Phew, not able to go and see join you. That's first up, we spot some full singles on the stick on the passing by the first one, Woodwich, or Woodwood. Northern Service. I did put a weekend to myself so I could see that Castle's see the young kind of busy 2023 season. I should catch up with most of his life. He was saying true to steam train when there was halfway through his maternity leave. But like I said, we didn't know what was going to happen. It's just a program like which heartbeat. It's actually such a pound or something.
The next station stop is Hazel. Find the gap between the train and the platform.
I always think Oscar needs a farmer because he doesn't even understand anything really. He always gets into trouble a lot. That's why he leaves Lima straight quite badly. So there's a chance to film this. No, if 6 car can come here in case it can. I just understand how come they can't have 2 trains on the Buxton Line. They used to a long time ago. I did see one, but I was not going to make it in time because the train I was always a few minutes behind schedule. Yeah, so it's train 1.9. See, I'm up at 10:40 at Chapel-en-le-Frith. And you know, actually, the actual location is not open until 10:56. 4 carriages, 2 short platforms. Customers for Chapel-en-le-Frith and Duffels should be in the front 3 carriages of the train. Well, lucky I'm in the front 2.
Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Buxton. The next station stop is New Mills Newtown.
This is where it's going to, Buxton. If we were first Vale, we could first to Chapel-en-le-Frith. Right. So far, we're still enjoying the journey.
The next station stop is New Mills Newtown. Mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
So yeah, near there. So. Like I said, I wish they had 2 trains on this line, not stick to 1, because it's a bit dull, really. Yeah. Yes, be. Oh, Jesus. It's Camilla again. We've got 50 minutes to get there now. Oh, very nice. Is that what burns over there? Yes, it was. We're back in India.
This is New Mills Newtown. Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Buxton. The next station stop is Furness, Vale.
Yeah, Furness and Vale.
Stop is Furness, Vale. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Yeah. Nice smooth journey, isn't it? Nice comfortable journey, isn't it?
Yeah. I get the train to school every day.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it more fun for you, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Most of my mum and dad bought me a house in Perth, obviously near my school, near my work, near the station, so I can take a train to school too, but it didn't happen. We had to buy a house in Seal Lane, but I live in Brookwood, so I get some good people where I live anyway, so.
Yeah.
Because I get a one-bedroom flat now. Yeah. I was meant to get a 523 this morning, but that got cancelled because short train crew. So.
Oh yeah, they get cancelled all the time.
Yeah. So I had to get the later one. I was going to see the steam train at King's Cross this morning, but I missed it. It was a bit touch and go for a minute, so I decided to abandon it to just focus what I was doing today. What? Yeah, because I need to focus on mine. There. Where is Chapel-en-le-Frith at? It's near Buxton.
We were supposed to get the train. Our train was cancelled, so we had to get the 28 train, which was actually pretty good for them. We missed a bit of form, but it doesn't matter because they know that we get the train. Because when we join school, you just tell them that you get the train. So and whenever you're late, they know it's just the train. And you just go through the office and go to class. Yeah.
So where do you guys live in?
Pardon?
Where do you live in? Oh, it's just gone there.
Yeah, just about there.
Oh.
This is
And sometimes
Furness, Vale.
Izzy